gut-wrenching video from Associated Press. A truck was driving on a slick interchange exit when he flipped over the barrier, dropping over 70 feet. The driver was taken to the hospital to be evaluated. He luckily survived.